Hi y'all guys, this is Techno1 and I want y'all to know this is a PS2. You all know this go back in the day. Have all the arcade games and stuff on it. This is my old PS3 60GB. Well, 40 gigabytes, and well, it had the yellow light of death, but I fixed it. See, first model. But matter of fact, I got two of these, and I got a Slim. It's brand new. It's brand new. It's just straight out the box, brand new. And I'm keeping this so when the rest of these die out, it will be this one. And I'm getting a super slim April 25th. And I'm gonna sell this. Price of 50. Yep. Oops, my bad y'all. But anybody want to buy this, just describe, leave a comment. And I have another one of these PS3s right here. Second one I got, brand new. It works and everything, and it will come with 2 games. I sold my rest of my games like Ghost Recon, Resistance, and Frozen 5. But yeah, I fixed this one. It couldn't read games, but now it read games. On here, I run real quick. Look. See? Right now, Red Dead Redemption in there. And to prove that it works, I'm going to show y'all. Alright, hold on. Alright, here you go, y'all. And this is in my living room. So here you go. My TV in my room way bigger. See? Yup. And it'll come with a golden controller. See? So if you want to buy this Slim, let me know. The Slim down there, but it's not on, but this is the one that's on right now. And to prove it, you see the light, know that this is no joke. And you see it's right here. By the way, this is a Samsung TV, one of the nicest TVs you might want to get. Alright, just Techno1. See y'all later.